what's up? My name is John McNeil, and I want to get directly to the point. What I want to do today is I want to actually show you a brief demonstration and have a training on a little strategy that's going to allow you to make $100 to $500 per day. Now, you're going to be able to actually make this money consistently with your online business if you follow this model and the strategy that I'm going to kind of lay out for you. And then once I do that, I'm actually going to introduce you to a system that's going to make it turnkey for you so that you can actually kind of plug into this system and it does all the heavy lifting for you. You don't want to miss a minute of this video. I promise to be brief, guys, so just stay with me, watch the entire video, and I'm going to show you how all this works. All right, guys, so let's going to jump right into this video. And as promised, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make a reliable, consistent $100 per day up to $500 per day in your online business. But first I want to actually show you a model that maybe a lot of the gurus are teaching you now, or maybe this is a model that you're actually doing in your online business. And then I want to show you how you can enhance your model or your current business with another strategy that can really bring in the commissions on a consistent basis within the hundreds of dollars per day. So what you might be doing now, and what a lot of gurus teach, is they say, okay, you need to get traffic first, right? So you guys have to forget my little stick figures here. And so you're going to send that traffic over to a squeeze page, right? So let's just use this as a squeeze page, and it's usually a video or something right there. And then someone's going to opt in. So when they opt into the squeeze page, good affiliates will typically send directly to a thank you page. Let's just put TP for thank you. And on this thank you page, there's usually like a video or some sort of free content that's basically giving some value away, basically trying to warm them up for the offer that they're going to try to sell. So then they usually have like a button down here to say, you know, if you want more information, you know, go over to my affiliate link. So then they actually are sent to what we call the sales page. And this is usually the offer. So let's say this is the sales page. And then if that lead purchases the product or the service or whatever you're selling, then you make money, right? Now, there's nothing wrong with this model, and it's been being used for years, and it'll probably still work going forward. The only problem with this model is, you know, once you get to the point where you are here, it's a very transactional one-off sale. So they go through the funnel and then you make the sale here and then you're just kind of done. What if I explained to you a different model where you could actually take that same one lead and you can take them through a similar process, but you can make multiple sales over and over and over and over again? And I want to explain this model to you now. So let's go ahead and erase this, and then let me explain to you this new model. All right, so with this new model, we're still going to start off with the traffic, right? So we're going to be sending traffic to a squeeze page. So that's our squeeze page. You're going to opt in here. And then instead of sending them to a thank you page, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sending them to what I call a hub, or even some people may even call it like a membership site, right? So this is going to be a hub, or even if you want to call it a membership site. And what you can do here is you can give a lot of value, right? And you can do that in the form of video training. So it could be video modules here, you know, all down here, and it could be teaching them how to do something. So say if you eventually want to sell them on a high ticket traffic program, where you could be showing them videos on how to get traffic to your site various ways, using social media, using pay-per-click, using Facebook ads, or using YouTube ads. You could be taking them through a whole process here where you're actually showing them how to do something, right? Actually giving them value, walking them through the steps. Now, in doing so, there's opportunity for you to make sales throughout this entire process, this whole training process. Because if I'm showing someone how to set up an affiliate marketing business, let's say, you know, they're going to need a squeeze page, they're going to need traffic, they're going to need tracking tools, they're going to need an autoresponder, and I can show them how to set up a sales funnel and an automated campaign with these different tools. And as I'm showing them this information, I can recommend these tools and they can actually purchase these tools through me. So whether it be a page builder, whether it be an autoresponder, whether it be traffic networks, whether it be tracking tools, these are all things that you can yourself can be an affiliate of, and you can get affiliate commissions throughout this whole process while you're training and giving them all this value, right? So now, instead of just having that one transactional sale that we saw in the first example, now you have multiple sales where, you can get a sale here, you can get a sale there, you can get a sale here, because they're going through this process and they're trying to get the result that, you're teaching them, the value that you're giving them in that membership site. Now, as well as you have these affiliate products and tools, and you can have other products within the training, you can also have what we call like a core offer. So you can have like a core offer where people can make those mid to high ticket sales. So let's put mid to high ticket sales. So that's where you can make anywhere between, $100 to $500, right? And so now you have a situation where you not only are making commissions in this area here, but you're also going to be able to get commissions here. So you're going to have buyers here, you're going to have buyers there. Not only that is, once they come through this system here, of course, you're going to have email marketing. And in email marketing campaigns, you're basically going to have emails coming out, email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5. And what are you doing in these emails? Essentially, you are, basically sending them back to whatever offer you want to send them back to. So you could be sending them to training where you can actually make more sales, or your other affiliate products that you recommend. And this can go out for days. Matter of fact, I recommend that you have like 100 email follow-up series to really maximize on the leads that you're putting through this entire funnel, right? So again, this is going to make it much easier for you, this new model, to actually make, $100 a day or even $500 a day. Because why? You have multiple chances to make commissions in this area here. You have chances to make commissions in this area here. Plus you have chances to make commissions in this area here. So you have 3 points of entry versus that first model where it's really just 1 point of entry. And if you're doing email follow-up, you can call it 2. But within here, again, guys, you can make multiple sales. So you could be having commissions coming from this tracking tool and this product and this software. And then you can have your back ends bringing in your hundreds, $500 a day, and then you have your email marketing campaigns where you're consistently bringing in sales. So once you start feeding traffic in this whole scenario, you're actually going to just start making money, day in, day out, again, consistently $100 to $500 per day. Now, doing all of this, I know this looks like chicken scratch right now, but to put all of this together can be daunting. You got to have some knowledge, you got to have some skill, you got to have some technical know-how. What if I told you that there was a system that I can actually plug you into that does this whole scenario for you, right? So it gives you the membership site that you can make money from. It gives you the back end, the mid-ticket, the high-ticket sales. It gives you the email follow-up, the squeeze pages. Everything is done for you. Right? Everything's done for you, and all you have to do is plug in. And that's what I want to talk about right now, really briefly. So what I want to do now is I want to introduce you guys to an affiliate marketing educational platform, and it's called My Online Startup. Now, this platform actually will train you for free. They actually have a free course in there, and it teaches you how to basically get started with affiliate marketing and start making money as an affiliate. The course is amazing, extremely good, and it has a ton of value. And basically, in the link below, you're going to be sent to a page that looks like this, and you're going to be able to create a free account. And in that free account, you're going to be able to get access to that free course. Now, once you create your free account, I want you guys to basically pay attention to the tabs up here, and when you actually get inside here, of course, there's going to be a free course that you can take, but I really want you to click on up here where it should say partner level video, or I'll say founding partner video. That's the video that I want you guys to really watch, because you're going to get access to some free training. The training is great, but I really want you guys to go ahead and focus in on the partner video. I want you to actually see that first, because I really want you to see the magnitude of what you have here with My Online Startup. So that whole example that I explained to you guys, you have that opportunity, and this partner video is going to explain it to you. So it may say partner, or it may say founding partner. I want you to watch that video, and it's going to explain the entire process of how you can actually set up that hub model that I went through a second ago. Now, if you do decide to join the partner membership with My Online Startup, I do want to help you out. And I've actually created some bonuses in order to help you out, give you some more great tools and resources to help you make more money, as well as offer myself as a support to really get you started out on the right foot and get you in profit mode. Because I know a lot of times when people, join opportunities and they're promised things and they're promised support, but they never really get the support. So I'm telling you now, I'm looking on camera and letting you know that I'm here to support you. So let's go through the bonuses that I want to give you guys if you guys want to become a partner member with My Online Startup and join my team. All right, so I wanted to tell you about a few bonuses that I want to give you if you decide to join the partner level of My Online Startup. So if you join the partner level, I actually have some exclusive bonuses for you that not only are going to help you and benefit you from an educational perspective, but actually get your business up and going. And you guys will see what I mean right now. So the first thing you're going to get is you're going to get my latest and greatest affiliate marketing course. It's called the Super Affiliate Hack. It was basically designed for the beginner to take you from $0 to $100 per day. I recently just did this course a couple months ago, and it really helps you. It's the things that I'm doing right now to generate $100 a day with my affiliate marketing business. The next thing you're going to get is Easy Income Lifestyle, which is another course that's designed to just take your business to 10K a month. And that has a lot to do with, picking the right niche, setting up your campaigns the right way, having some front end offers and then having some back end offers. So you're going to learn how to do all of that in Easy Income Lifestyle. The next course is Operation 6K. Now this course was designed to just basically put some fast cash in your pocket. So it's almost kind of like a 24-hour cash machine. So you're going to actually learn a specific method that you can deploy like right away to start making instant money in your affiliate marketing business. So you're going to get all three of those courses for free. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to give you a done for you high converting membership funnel. So we kind of talked about how My Online Startup has its own hub and how you can make multiple commissions on products and services and software within My Online Startup. Well, I've actually created my own within Super Affiliate Hack, right? So this is a membership hub that I've created that gives a ton of value, and it teaches people how to become affiliate and how to make money online. And I can actually give you access to this same membership hub. And while I'm doing all the training and teaching, you will get the affiliate commissions, because when I'm training, I'm usually, recommending a product or a service or a tool or software. And underneath that video right now, that's my affiliate link, but you are going to be able to get access to that same membership hub, and then you can switch out my affiliate link and then put yours in there, so that when people are going through that program, you can also get those affiliate commissions. So you'll get that whole done for you funnel through ClickFunnels. So that's something that can definitely continue to build your business. Actually, you can have My Online Startup embedded in here, or any other business opportunity that you want to promote within here, because I have strategic places where you can kind of pick and choose where you want to have your business opportunities or your best products and services that you want to sell. So that's a really great value. So the next thing that I'm super excited about is to give you some done for you traffic. Typically when you see things like this, people are giving away bonuses and they're just kind of garbage. What I want to do is I actually want to give you some real value and give you some premium traffic. So with My Online Startup, they actually give you a done for you funnel. You're actually going to get that funnel for free with your partner level membership. And once you have that funnel set up, which they set up for you, they do everything for you from the squeeze page to the thank you page to the emails to everything, the click tracking, everything's done for you. You're going to give me your link and I'm going to send you 100 clicks from my personal premium vendor that I use to get my traffic from. So that's basically just a thank you to you for joining my team and entrusting in me. But I also want to get you out on a good start. Like I said, I want to help you. I want you to be successful. So I want to give you some traffic to get you started. Next up is I'm going to allow you to leverage my bonus packages. So basically I've created a bonus package for you to give away for other individuals, because you can also market My Online Startup. You can give away the free course. And while people are going through this free course, they're going to naturally want to join the other level memberships because the value is just there. So I wanted to give you some incentives as well, as you have people come through your funnel and your hub. So I'll put together a nice little bonus package that you can give other people to just kind of entice them to join you. Because again, I want to help you out and I want to help build your online business. We're going to build this together so that we can all be successful. So next up on the list, you're going to get my 10K email swipe file. Now, make no mistake about it, guys. This email swipe file that I'm going to give you has generated me a lot of money, probably in excess of $10,000. So every single email has generated me sales. They are specifically designed to get opens, to get clicks, and to get sales in your business. So you're going to be able to leverage those actual emails, just basically copy and paste and sell additional products and services, whatever you want to sell. And you're going to be able to make money with these emails. And last on the list is I want to be able to connect with you guys. And I think the best way to do that is to have a one-on-one dialogue. So what you're essentially going to get is kind of a one-on-one coaching strategy session with me, where I'm actually going to help you build your online business and actually kind of set you up on a path that you can take to actually start generating consistent income in your business as soon as possible. Now, this is not a pitch fest. I won't be pitching you on anything. You have already invested into the partner level membership of My Online Startup. So essentially what I'm going to be doing is trying to help you build your business, build your affiliate marketing business, answer your questions, and just get you started out on the right foot. So again, guys, that's about $5,000 worth of bonuses, real world bonuses that you're going to get that can really, really help you. I feel like I put a lot of value within these bonuses. So all you have to do now is kind of scroll down here to the bottom of the page and click this little button that says, click to enroll into My Online Startup and join the partner level membership. And again, that's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to create a free account. And then again, you want to make sure that you click on like the partner video or the partner level membership video. And that's going to explain to you everything that you get with this particular opportunity. And then again, if you have any questions, you can basically send me an email and I will get directly back to you. So I hope that, everything made sense to you guys. And I hope that I see you guys within the membership. And again, I'll be happy to support you and help you out in this process of building your affiliate marketing business. So take care and I'll see you soon.